Hello there. Picture this. You are a salaried individual in India who wants to upgrade to an SUV. But the thought of dealing with hefty down payment and high interest car loan with no tax benefits makes it seems like an impossible dream. But don't fret, we have a simpler solution for you. Have you ever considered leasing a car from your employer? Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Finance Fridays. Today we'll learn how leasing a car through your employer will not just make you a proud owner of a car but also save lakhs of rupees. Let's get started. Leasing a car from your employer provides a very lesser known tax saving option that is only available to salaried individuals. By choosing this option, you can save around 20 to 40% of the car's value in taxes. Now let's understand how does this work. Car leasing allows you to use a vehicle for a specified duration by paying regular rentals, just like the EMIs of a car loan. Unlike a vehicle loan, leasing offers you an option to buy the vehicle at the end of the lease period or maybe upgrade to a better and bigger one. Now, let's understand the two types of car leases. Number one, operating lease. Number two, finance lease. In an operating lease, the vehicle is generally registered in the name of leasing company. At the end of the lease period, you can either upgrade the vehicle to another one or maybe buy the same vehicle by paying the residual value. On the other hand, a finance lease involves tri-party agreement between the employer, employee and the leasing company. In this kind of lease, the car is generally registered in the name of the employer and ownership is transferred to the employee at the end of the lease period. While the finance lease option has a lower residual value, it typically comes with higher lease rentals. Now, let's talk about the real advantage of leasing a car through your employer. That is tax savings. The car lease rental becomes a part of your CTC, but it is excluded from your taxable income. Since your employer pays the lease amount to the leasing company, this amount is excluded from your taxable salary. Moreover, many companies offer extra benefits like vehicle maintenance, driver's salary, fuel reimbursement, etc., which is also excluded from your taxable salary. These combined with lease rentals and reimbursement can actually save a lot of taxes for you. Let's take an example and understand how leasing can make a real difference in your tax savings. Consider your CTC is 25 lakhs this year and you decide to lease a car worth rupees 16 lakh for 48 months where the monthly lease rental is 43,800 rupees. After deducting this lease rental for the entire year and standard deduction of rupees 50,000, your taxable income will come down to 19 lakhs 24,000 only. And the resulting tax liability on this amount will be around 3.14 lakhs. If you would have bought this car upfront, your tax liability would have been somewhere around 4.72 lakhs. So now you see, by choosing to lease, you can save approximately around 1.57 lakhs in taxes. Now, you might be wondering if leasing a car through an employer will tie you down to the same company until the end of the lease tenure. Well, that's not the case. There are few options available for you. Option number one, if the car is registered in your name and your new company provides car leasing policy, you can continue the lease and enjoy the tax benefits in the new company. Option number two, if the car is in the company's name, you can surrender it and take the new lease from your new employer or buy out the car by paying the remaining amount plus transfer charges. Do ensure that you take the no objections certificate to retain the tax benefits. Option number three, you have an option to transfer the lease to your co-worker in the current company provided they agree to the terms and conditions of the lease. There you have it, folks. Leasing a car from your employer will not just give you the substantial benefit of saving taxes, but also will let you drive the car of your dreams. We really hope that this information was helpful to you. Do like this video and share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for such informational videos. Thank you for watching.